That's why I'm so excited to be in Bangkok. Ang sarap ng food.
400 pesos.
You feel like a crown.
Your first time in Thailand, you said, Sauli ka. Ma'am, pwede pa picture po doon? Sinisi. Atang finally arrived in Bangkok. Hello, Tony.
Kim and Ollie came from the airport and Puyat.
Ollie, can you mix?
Yeah,
So, okay, you're leaving for the
concert.
Wow, sexy girl.
I'm done with my foot massage and my body is andaya. Ba't wala tayong mango sticker rice? Bakit yung dalawa may mango sticker rice?
Bakit sila meron?
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Hello, Thailand. Ayan na sila, ma'am.
Hello, guys. Finally, we're at the hotel. You know, guys, it's so traffic. And welcome back to my vlog. So we're now here in Bangkok, guys, because we're following Allison. Kasi she will watch a concert. And you know, guys, it's so hot here, but it's raining outside. So guys, you know, I'm so excited because Allison will be here tomorrow night coming from Singapore, okay? Also, she watch a concert there and then here. Sinundan niya yung concert. And on Monday, Tim and Olivia is coming. So we're all here. So I'm so excited to band with them. But for now, easy feel. And then after, we'll eat and walk around. But it's raining, so tawag na lang tayo ng cart, okay? So, lot. Okay. Pasipasihin mo na yung maleta natin, ha?
Okay po, ma'am.
Guys, okay, we'll be here in Bangkok for the next 5 days. Yay! So, okay, freshen up muna and let's check my room. Oh, wow, not bad. It's nice. Oh, so, okay, we're going to Paragon and we'll eat because I'm so hungry and I want to eat mango sticky rice and of course, I want to look at mangosteen and lafang na. Okay. Phil, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Say hi to my vlog, Phil. Since we are color coordinated, mag-hi ka.
Hi.
Okay, so let's go na lot. Let's eat. Okay, this is the most part. I'm so excited to be in Bangkok. Ang sarap ng food.
ไม่ติดปุก
Guys,
ลดได้แต่อย่าล่วงนะคะอย่าล่วงถนนเอาไปเลยค่ะถึง199 บาทนี่ค่ะ
I don't like it about the back. Not too baby avo. I like the same sweet. Then how about the lime cheese you like? God, there's a no makomba. What's that? The apple? So how do you call that?
ลดสัก
Low sam?
จะทำให้
Oh
ผิว
my
ติด
gosh,
ปาก
that's
นะ
why
คะ
I love Bangkok because of
ลดความ
this.
อยากของอาหารได้ด้วยค่ะ
The fruits
รับร
are
องทานได้เพิ่มเติม
not
ข
so
องหนูนะคะ
expensive
ส
and
วย
it's
ทุก
very
ดีเลย
sweet.
ค่ะ
Ma'am, pahingin isa, ma'am.
Mas okay pa?
Pahingin din ako.
Alam mo, not. Si lot.
Kanina kapatikim ng tikim eh.
Okay.
Yan na lang isa.
You want to eat?
Ma'am, pahingin isa.
Just kawawa.
Pretties.
Okay, of course. Oh, ang dami mo pang sinabi. Oh my gosh, pomegranate is my favorite too.
Yes, oh,
Oh,
malaki.
let's try, just try here.
Juicy po, ma'am.
Ang laki ng buto. Sa Manila, seedless yung nabibili natin. Where's the trash?
Okay. 400 pesos.
You feel like a crown.
Ito talaga guys yung place na pinaka-happy niya. Pag nandito kami sa Bangkok, ito talaga yung lugar. Hindi niya pwedeng hindi puntahan yung lugar na to. Di ba, ma'am?
Okay. Kasi, lot, I always eat fruits at night, right? So guys, I bought a lot for tonight. Look, favorite is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the hotel. Let's pay and go. So this is one of my favorites.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon ano?
Nagkakasin si Sir, papay mo na. Bill, pay na. Ticket ha.
Ma'am.
Anong gusto mo sa hotel? Yung food
Tinapay lang, ma'am.
Ha?
Tinapay.
Ay, ka nang yung bread.
Opo.
Ah, sige. Okay, let's go. Water, let's go.
Dun.
Okay, let's get water.
Your first time in Thailand, you said, sahuli ka. Sabi ng titinda dito niya, what is better? Philippines durian or the Thailand durian? Siyempre, Philippines durian. Kahit masarap dito yung durian nila, Philippines pa rin yung masarap. First time ka sa Thailand, the people said, sahuli ka. Mama, ano ibig sabihin ng sahuli ka?
Lot, so what? Means hello.
Ah, yun pala yung meaning ng sahuli ka.
How many times na ikaw nag-Bangkok?
8 po ngayon.
Pero hindi mo alam ang ibig sabihin ng sawati ka.
Sahuli ka? Kala ko sahuli ka.
Kasi yan, sabi sa'yo, nabash ka ni Lord. First time mo lang dito, tapos nagyayabang ka na.
Is that 8 times po, guys, do you hear? Now,
Times ka na.
8.
Pero sabi nila first time.
May nag-comment doon, sabi niya, wag daw ako magyabang kasi first time ko daw sa Thailand. Nag-reply po ako, sorry po, this is 8 times in Thailand. Guys, ayan si ma'am, namimili ng pajama. Ito ni ma'am, yung Tiffany Blue.
Tiffany Blue, so pink na lang, okay?
Pink na lang
Para
daw.
naman may elephant, ano ko, pants.
Ma'am, pag-uwi natin mo nakailipan tayo, pajama.
Ito na lang.
Bilhin mo na ma'am.
Okay, buy na to. Kasi tinry ko, ha? So, buy. Pag okay to,
Balik ka, opo, sige po.
O, 3.
4 na ma'am.
O, 3.
Opo.
Kasi I have 10 pieces of the
Oh, sa may Manila.
of the
Meron ka pa nito ma'am?
No, I don't like it na. I like the white.
Ah, white
I
na.
have the what's the white one? Nivea? No, the Vaseline.
Vaseline.
So try natin kung okay. So, Atong finally arrived in Bangkok. Hello, Tony. What's that? Who's that? Oh, Caitlin, hi. We're in Bangkok. Come here. Come here in Bangkok.
She can't hear you.
Oh, she cannot. So finally, Alison is here with us in Bangkok. Oh my God. Wow, so pretty. Well, okay, did you enjoy Singapore?
Yes,
Yeah, parang you had so much fun.
I did.
Okay. So Alison, I got your food.
Yeah.
Okay. So excited. And Team N, all is coming tomorrow. I am having a hard time looking for MBK. And I don't know why we're going there. Because, you know, the mall, they're all full. And we're waiting for Allison to come. I'm so excited. All I want is to look for ice cream. Isik Rayam. I like Isik Rayam.
Going to MBK. Ayaw ni sir na masunog na si ma'am. Siyempre, walk, sweet pa din. Holding hands. Yan talaga ang couple. Very sweet. Ma'am, pwede pa picture po doon?
Ano ba si Dokno?
Nasira ako mga moment nilang sweetness.
Okay. Ako si Lot, nagpapapi. It's under the sun, my skin. Oh my gosh. Saan mo gusto, Lot? Why? Okay, go. Okay, mag-shades. Shades, okay. Anong gusto mong view? Okay, gusto niya guys ang construction na view. Okay, construction. Okay.
Guys, wala pa kaming nabili. Mag-ice cream na daw siya.
Dad, bye guys. So, bye Ton, I'll see you. So, okay. I'll go to the other room, of course. Okay, who's here? Let's guess who's here. Olivia! So, okay. So nice to see you in Bangkok. Welcome to Bangkok.
Thanks for having me.
Nag-welcome po si, nag-welcome si Lot.
Yeah.
Wow, so Olivia, your roommate is Allison. Okay, this is their room. Okay, who's there? Hey, what? Oh my gosh, you're
Lunch na.
okay. Let's have lunch, and you're so hungry. Ah, my God, you're doing well, guys. Okay. Oh, hi, Lot. we're here now in Bangkok. And of course, maglo-lunch kami. Si Allison is not ready yet. So, Tim and Ollie, so hungry already, came from the airport. And Puyat, came from Palawan pa, no? Palawan, guys. And naiwanan ng plane.
Missed my
I
flight.
was so stressed.
I was so stressed, and imagine, Tim at first was planning to book the 7 o'clock Sunday.
150.
1 o'clock? What on earth? he was thinking of booking of Sunday 1 p.m. Naiwanan siya ng plane sa Palawan. Oh, hindi. Malabo ako. No, ikaw na magsabi. Oh, I was so inis kasi at first
Initially, I was supposed to arrive Manila 3:30.
and
Then, after a few hours, maybe 3 hours from
flight to Bangkok.
arrival, I fly to Bangkok, right?
And then what happened in Palawan?
Palawan, we didn't have a car. So we missed our flight by 2 minutes. They closed the boarding gate.
Oh my gosh.
They're in the airport.
Sana you told the pilot. Like last week, we came from Osaka and I told Lot to talk to the pilot. Na wait for me. Nag-wait sila. Ikaw, hindi ka na-wait.
So I missed my flight. Eventually got home at 10 p.m.
Got the 7 p.m. flight to Manila. Imagine kung hindi, naiwanan na siya ng flight to Bangkok. So, it's good that I'm so, mareklamo. I keep on complaining and I told him to fly the next day. O yan, so okay, there yun. Ang haba ng kwento, kayo ng bahala na mag-intindi, guys. Ang labo ko. O,
Basta we made it.
basta we made it here. Because they're watching a concert later. And what's the concert? Fred again. Allison. Fred again. Hindi mo alam? He also, Allison, okay, by the way, Allison came from Singapore to watch that Fred again and follow them here sa Bangkok to watch that Fred again with Olivia again. Tim, so okay.
Walang sticky rice.
Walang sticker rice daw.
Where are we eating?
Kupha, Kupha.
Kubkao, Kubla.
We're waiting for Allison and
Bill.
Bill. And I'm so excited. You know, I've been here for 3 days and every time I come here, laging ang haba ng pila. So now, the tempo na. We're next. And waiting for the two. So, okay. What do you want? Order, guys. Lot, anong gusto mo?
Do you recommend this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Get that.
One.
That one's really good.
And I want this fish. This one I like. Get salad, soup. What do we order here? Not yung lagi nating favorite. Oh my gosh. Yung, ano yung favorite? Pomelo. Okay. Crab meat curry. Curry. Curry ba?
Curry.
Curry. Curry, ha? Okay. Dapat yung ano, to save, you know, I just paid like $5.
For Wi-Fi.
Guys, for Wi-Fi, for data. So guys, I'm asking Tim to get an eSIM here kasi it's so cheap lang. Don't pay like 400 a day or 500 a day. I told him to look for an eSIM which is like $5 for 5 days or like 1 week. So si Joy got like $4 for 1 week. Di ba, Joy? Naka-eSIM ka rin? Si Tim, ayaw magtipid. Pinapatipid ni Mom. Well, how much did you get? How much? Oh, see, oh my God, I told you. Set up cellular. So I help you. Set up cellular. Set up cellular. Maintaining. Yes, number transferred. Wow, ang galing. So, saan natin? Where do we... On your other phone.
I want it.
Saan phone? Ay, oh, shoot. Oh, it should be in your phone kasi.
Pero you need the Wi-Fi to use the app.
Yes.
That's why I think-
Wala siyang Wi-Fi eh. Oh my God. How much did we pay? It didn't work.
$6.
$6. I'm asking him to make tipid. And then now we spend $6. It's not working naman. Okay, let's eat na lang. Okay, finally, we're here eating lunch at TikTok Butla. My favorite. 3 days na ako nag-wait here. So, oh my God, Ollie, are you excited with the food?
So excited. So
Kim,
good.
yeah, we're so hungry now. It's already 2 o'clock here. 3 p.m. in Manila. Nag-jet lag ako. 1 hour difference. So, Kim,
On the chilling.
wow, sarap. So, okay, we're waiting for Allison and Phil to come. So, Lot, eat ka na rin, ha? Ollie, can you mix? Yak ko din mix. Pa-mix natin. Okay, Ollie.
Naku,
Catfish salad. We need 2 more settings. Pag may soup, can we ask
oh my gosh, may gulay subig.
Let me take out this. And then it's soup, please. Oh my God, the gulay. This looks so good. Give your... And we don't want the soup anymore. We need 2 more. 2 more. Here.
Okay.
My God. Ano pa order natin? What else?
You want me to mix it?
Yeah. Yes. Wow, look at us. My gosh, ang daming food. Grabe ang rich sa crab meat. Lot. Finish and then there's another one. So, lot. Okay, finish mo na that rice. My gosh. So, full na yung table. Wala pa sa... So, okay, our table is so full. Wala pang Lexicon and Phil. So, okay, finally, Phil and Allison's here were complete. Late lunch. So, okay, what did you say about the food, Phil?
Kuna.
Kulang. Allison, which one do you like here? You like the fish? Yeah. This is the crab rice. You want crab rice? This is so good.
Right.
Right.
Catfish.
So later we'll not be together for dinner kasi they have concert.
Nakatapos na namin mag-lunch, guys. Si ma'am nag-ice cream na naman. Para po, research niya po.
Dot, like mo ba?
Busog na po ako ng...
Okay, di mo ba?
Subang busog po ako.
Saan sila, sir? And doon. Where sila, Tim?
Sa kasunod po.
There. Dot, nice for yung long hair ko.
Sobra po, ma'am. Sobrang ganda po ng hair mo.
Oh my God, thank you, Donaldin, for my beautiful hair.
Hey, doll extensions.
Thank you. Ang tagal ng change ko,
Ikaw na change mo, ma'am.
Ha?
Ikaw change mo. Ilang piso?
Change ko? 50 baht.
50 po. Kala ko 5 baht lang.
Papaiwan mo na. Si Lotlot ang yabang. 5 baht lang daw. Iwan ko na. Pero it's 50 baht. 20 baht. Are you buying something in Changnam? Ano yan ako? My God. You said in your class that you are crunchy? You said something. Chunky.
Chunky.
You're chunky.
Chunky but muscular.
Are you getting? The orange juice here is so good. It's like a bit salty. Parang they mix a little bit of sugar with the landan. It's so good. You're not gaining like...
When I stop exercising, I eat less. So parang my exercise is like walking 5-minute abs in the room.
They say you do have smiling eyes. Don't do that.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay. You like mo yung mga gusto ni mami mo?
Huh?
You like mo pa yung mga gusto ni mami mo?
Yeah, na food. Masarap.
A lot.
Sarap.
It's so big. Pag favorite ni sir, hindi ko favorite. Kasi lahat favorite ko, di ba? But this one, no. I like their winter melon. Bakit walang, mango sticky rice for Tim? Tim,
Or baka there's seed. Ano seed this?
I think this is so good. Oh my God, that's so big.
You try the
Like to
rice
taste
here.
this. But this one looks so good, my
Why
God.
not good?
Mama, breakfast mo.
Ito baka not crunchy eh. Crunchy? No crunchy. Maybe this one is crunchy.
Small one?
Yeah, I want to try.
Yeah. Binalik niya. Crunchy, ma'am.
Pero hindi siya yung crunchy eh.
Crunchy na matabang.
Oo, na matabang. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Kaya guys, magte-thank you lang tayo pag hindi natin tayo. Oh my God, those sweet taste talaga here. Lot, how many bags?
Two po, ma'am. Two.
So, naubos na yung,
Naupos na yung
Right.
4.
oh my God.
Tinan mo maya. Sa'yo yung lot.
Hindi, lot, hindi. This is mine. Favorite ko to.
Yung ice cream.
Mm.
Oh, sabi ko na eh.
So, masarap. It's masarap, but it's unnecessary calories. No, I want to buy more fruits.
Alam ko na kasi guys, na hindi niya maubos yung ice cream. Tinanong niya ako kanina kung ano daw gusto ko. Sabi ko, busog ako, ayoko. Kasi alam ko kasi na hindi niya maubos yung ice cream. Kasi hindi niya naubos yung ice cream.
Dalawa na lang meron sa hotel.
Opo.
My gosh, we have to buy. Teka, lot, kumain ka na. Eat na ng ice cream. Ayan, si Lot-Lot. Ayan, ito nga, nangangayayat na, pumapayat na si Lot-Lot. Walang sa food.
Sabi ko na kanina, mami, hindi mo maubos. Sabi, anong gusto mo
It's so good. It's so masarap. But my God. Guys, I love it. Oh, we just passed by from lunch. Okay, this is our way to the hotel. So, okay, nasa na yung mga kids? Oh, let's go and look at the kids. I thought Olivia wants to buy fruits. So, we're on our way back to the hotel now. And, of course, we'll freshen up. And guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
And I can use it vlogging also. Can you just say hi? I said hi. Hi. Oh my God, she said hi 5 minutes time. But I don't believe it. Tim, where are you going? You're leaving na. Give Ollie this.
Now?
Yeah, Ollie, I was texting you.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, no. Tim, if Ollie likes this, put it in the room or later. Sige, okay. So, okay, you're leaving for the
Concert.
Wow, sexy girl. So, okay, go na. So, we're not having dinner.
No, not that.
Okay, enjoy your
Get my ticket, Tom.
Dami mga Pilipino. Thank you.
Guys, I'll do a challenge with Timmy Boy and Olivia tomorrow. We'll eat crickets, insects, whatever, worms.
Ma'am, kaya
I'll
ni
do that. And Lot you have to join that challenge.
Timin Ma'am Olivia, kaya niyang kainin yan. Small Audi and Lot, kaya kong kainin yan.
Oh my gosh. It's okay, but Olivia said it's what's it? It's tasty. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Ma'am, kaya mo?
Let's see.
Yan mo.
A grasshopper cricket right here. Grasshopper cricket.
Grasshopper.
Oh my God, scorpions. Okay.
May challenge ako bukas.
Challenge tomorrow, okay? So, see you guys tomorrow.
Yan guys, so, gini. Centipede.
Okay. Okay, let's feed Olivia this. Favorite ni Olivia? Scorpions, like that. Super, grasshopper, cricket, sago top, and gangworm.
Oh my goodness. Guys, ano ito?
Because wala yung crickets, so nag-walk around kami and we saw this and look, oh, ang daming seashells. I'll try the oysters. Oh, they will cook it. So guys, look on here, oh, wow. Everything looks so yummy. 350 for 5. Oh my God,
Si Ma'am na. Guys, si Ma'am napagod sa walking, magmamassage siya. Magpapamassage sila ni Sir.
Guys, sobrang pagod, kakawalk. Ikaw, Lot, gusto mo mag-massage ka na?
Hindi ma'am, may menstruation ako.
Ay, may period. O sige, mag-wait ka na lang.
Apo.
O gusto mo mauna na sa hotel?
Hindi ko alam kung ma'am.
Hindi mo alam kung uwi.
Gusto niya rin pumasag sa kaso lang guys. Meron akong menstruation at ngayon lang itong first day of period. Sayang, gusto ko pa naman yan.
Massage ka yung uwi. Sure ka, dito ka na. Ayaw mo pa massage.
May period ako ma'am, bawal.
O sige, okay. Mag-TikTok ka na lang and mag-IG ka, okay? Mag-scroll ka. And ikaw mag-wait ka na dito. And ayaw mo talaga umuwi sa hotel.
Hindi, dito lang ako. Hintayin ko kayo.
Lot, ang lapit ng hotel.
Okay lang po ma'am.
Mag-rest ka na sa hotel.
Hintayin na lang kita.
Sure ka?
Opo.
O sige, hindi ka low bat.
Hindi ma'am, ma-charge na po.
Si Lot kasi nagse-cellphone lang yan. Kaya gusto
Meron akong free eSIM.
Ay, kagawin mo.
Ay, akin na yung phone mo.
Paano natin?
I-upload ko yung Boracay. Akin yung phone mo, ma'am.
May wifi.
Opo, akin na.
Pinay.
Oh.
Ay, lagyan mo na dito, bag mo na kaya ang pangit. Okay. So guys, we're now here at Let's Relax at nagpapa-foot massage kami Kasi the whole afternoon, we were just walking down the street. Doobie-doo, ta-na-nan, ta-nan, ta-na-nan, ta. Walking down the street. And guys, I told Philip I don't want to go home without having a foot massage. So we're here and Lop is outside. Okay, ayaw niya magpa-massage. May period daw siya. Oh my God, guys. I'm done with my foot massage and my God, it's so good. I almost went to sleep, but ang daya, ba't wala tayong mango sticker rice? Bakit yung dalawa may mango sticker rice?
Bakit sila meron?
Siya lang. Medyo may discrimination. No, because tayo foot massage lang sila. Body massage. Ang daya, they have mango sticker rice and we don't have.
Tanong mo sa kanya.
Yeah, we don't have mango sticker rice. I think it's because they have the full massage. So, okay guys, we're done. Ang sarap. I want to
Bigyan ng
for the two of them.
Hindi. Yung nabigay ko ng isa.
Eh, bakit kami walang mango sticker rice? Ha? Bakit yung dalawa naman meron?
Tanong mo.
I don't like. Sasabihin, kasi cheap yung kinuhan yung package. So, wala kayong mango. Oh, but eh, mas mango sticker rice kami lang wala. Why? Okay, I'll ask the counter later. Bakit wala kami mango sticker rice? So, guys, that's it for today. So, we're gonna go home and go to sleep. So, see you tomorrow.
Good evening, guys. Ollie, I brought you this mangosteen. Okay, how's the concert, guys? So galing. So galing. So okay, no more restaurant that's open, so that's why you ordered Grab food. So okay, what's your plan tomorrow?
The plan tomorrow is to eat, shop,
Eat, shop, and what else?
You should show your own. What you're talking about the
So guys, okay, these kids came from a concert and they're so happy. Hello, Ton. Is it good, your food? So, nag-enjoy naman kayo. You flew for that, huh? You came here for that. Oh my gosh. So, okay, I'll leave these guys. They're gonna eat. Okay, continue eating and okay, sleep early. No one's listening to me. So, good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Okay, sleep early. Tim, we'll wait for you, huh?
Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!